Looking at heavy rain falling across much of central North Carolina, including the Triangle. The Beltline is just soaked. Traffic crawling along as if it's not busy enough this time of day already. Add wet roads to the mixture, it's going to be a long commute. 61 degrees the temperature. That's our high temperature so far today. So we have warmed up significantly despite all of that rain falling throughout the day. And it is raining almost everywhere across central North Carolina. A little bit of variation from spot to spot in terms of the intensity of that rain, but still some pockets of very heavy rainfall within Wake County, especially around downtown and in the eastern half of the county. Pan farther north along the Virginia state line, there's some heavy rain in pretty much every county bordering southern Virginia. We pan farther south, a few breaks in the action beginning to develop. This doesn't mean the rain is going to stop, but you are going to get a little lull in the intensity of that rain every once in a while as we head through this evening. But as we open the window even wider, that rain continuing to move up from the south. There's plenty more where it came from, and even some thunderstorms offshore. Some of that energy could make its way as close to us as the southern coastal plains. So that's where we're concerned about the potential for a couple of stronger thunderstorms this evening. I really think the greater threat's going to be closer to the coast, but it's something we're going to keep a very close eye on for those areas along and east of I-95. Futurecast shows the rain continuing to move to the north as we head through the evening, but a little break beginning to move in. So that severe weather threat would be with us through about 10, 11 o'clock, and then it should be out of here by midnight with still some lingering off and on showers for the rest of the night. Here's where that threat is greatest. The slight risk is level 2 out of 5, so this is not an off-the-charts threat of severe weather overall. Marginal risk for the eastern half of central North Carolina, the green shaded areas. It basically means it's not likely for any severe weather to occur, but we can't completely rule it out. The greater threat would be in those yellow shaded areas, including portions of Wayne County and Sampson County. Otherwise, though, that greater threat staying farther out towards the coast. Winds are going to be a factor everywhere across central North Carolina this evening. Some gusty non-thunderstorm winds, just the atmosphere getting squeezed by this entire storm system, producing those wind gusts between 35 and 40 miles an hour for a time. But then those should relax a little bit as that break in the action develops. But tomorrow is going to be a breezy day overall, but still a mild day overall. Temperature right now stands anywhere from 51 degrees in South Hill, Virginia, to 61 degrees in the Triangle, to 66 degrees right now in Fayetteville. That warm air has been winning the battle for control of our temperatures, and it will be a warm day tomorrow. It's just going to be a rather wet day. We'll start off with lower rain chances. That's the best dog walking time frame. Might be some wet corgis tomorrow morning. Stubby and Luna are dogs of the day. From CBS 17's own reporter, Holden Kerwicki. If you want to send your picture in for a dog of the day, you don't have to be a CBS 17 employee. Just email it to me and we'll get you on the schedule. Now scheduling early into 2019. Temperatures won't be a problem tomorrow at all, but increasing rain chances once again. It's going to be lighter rain than what we're seeing right now, but there are still going to be those scattered showers out there throughout the afternoon, and then those will diminish tomorrow evening. The whole thing will wrap up by tomorrow night. So let's check it out on Futurecast. A few showers out there early tomorrow morning, but generally a break in the action for the early morning commute. That's some good news. But then the showers redevelop as we head into the afternoon, and early evening, they move out as we head through late tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, and the whole atmosphere dries out. We even see the clouds decreasing. Yeah, some snow possible in the mountains of western North Carolina could impact travel along Interstate 40. We'll check out more travel details coming up during our 5:30 half hour. The forecast for the first day of winter, well, not very wintry. Temperatures reaching up to the low 60s tomorrow in between those scattered showers. That high temperature right around noon. Then we start to cool off. Near normal temperatures and dry conditions for Christmas weekend, for Christmas Eve, and for Christmas Day. Just a mix of clouds and sunshine on Christmas Day. And temperatures in the mid-50s still Wednesday and Thursday. Several dry days in a row. Saturday all the way through Wednesday before the next chance of showers next Thursday.
63 on the first day of winter. We'll take that.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah.
See if we can keep it going for 90 more days.
Right.
Paul, thanks.
Well, a community devastated by